Why did the jade dragon make everyone sneeze? Long ago, a village found a shiny green dragon statue. They loved it so much, they put it in the town square. But soon, everyone started sneezing. They thought the dragon was cursed. Little did they know the dragon was made of a special stone that tickled their noses. One day, a clever kid realized it was just the pollen from the flowers around the dragon. They moved the flowers and the sneezing stopped. The dragon wasn't cursed, just surrounded by sneezy flowers.